Today, I'm teaching you how to add attachments to transactions in QuickBooks Online in 2025. If you want to keep receipts or documents linked to your records, this tutorial will show you exactly how. First, log into your QuickBooks Online account and open your dashboard. From the left menu, click Transactions and choose Expenses or Sales, depending on what you want to attach files to. Select a transaction from the list or create a new one. In the transaction window, look for the attachments field at the bottom. Click Browse or drag and drop your file directly into that section. You can upload PDFs, images, or scan receipts. Once attached, you see a small file icon appear beside the transaction. That confirms its link. Click Save and Close to keep your changes. You can also go to the attachment tabs in the menu to view or delete any uploaded files later. And that's how to add attachments to transactions in QuickBooks Online in 2025. Super easy and great for keeping all your financial records organized. If this helped, check out my other short QuickBooks tutorials.